walking the Jeep trail.
Walk the Jeep trail itself.
What is this?
It's an easy hike. It's just long because it drags all the way across the mountain. There's no
Want that? Sit up. I bet you want that.
Pretty steep from Ranger.
Here you go.
And then that cut back. Depends on if you go up, like towards Big Ravine, or double back towards Chair 2, and then go across.
Oh, Roger, careful.
Yeah. Yeah. And that's when you do, and Chair 2 is ever open and one's not. You can cut all the way over to Chair 2 and it's some of the best lines.
Over here, over here.
Yeah. You're just riding too, you can do everything you want. Yeah. And then come right back over to 2. Be good. Local. The local move. Well, be safe out there, yo. Here. What's this? Yogi. Oh, why don't you come?
He likes the foot kick.
I don't have the boots, so you should come stand over here.
Oh.
I have the boots on.
That's so funny.
See the double hop.
Look at all the stuff he eats too.
Find a squirrel in there? What's in that guy? He's been over there for quite a few minutes. Look at what he's exposed over here, honey.
What's that?
Look at what Ruger's exposed over here.
Oh, he found a tube.
Right here. Ruger, what's down here? Is there a squirrel?
Look.
Chair 3 might be open.
What?
Yeah. We might be opening this weekend.